Hello Internet, welcome to the channel. It's 9th August, early morning around 4:43, and we are going for a quick short ride to Central Railway Station to collect something very important. From here it's around 32 minutes, 18 kilometers long. Yesterday night there was heavy rain, so the road is pretty wet and the climate is a little bit chill. Petrol is too low to travel up to 18 kilometers, but let's see. In between, maybe we need to stop for fuel somewhere. He forgot to honk, and also the engine noise was not audible for me. So it's a wild guess. I thought some vehicle is coming. I never thought that it's so big one, and he's not stopping as well. I would have been squeezed in between that truck and the road, nearby wall. I mean. I thought the camera will not do much justice, like it will not capture much light, but surprisingly it was decent and not so bad. We stopped for fuel and filled up around 100 rupees of petrol. I forgot my wallet, so I didn't pay for that. My wife paid. She generally never used to pay, but there is a reason. She paid today. I'll tell you at the end of the video. Hmm? Hindi na. I don't know the depth of the top pothole, so I was waiting for some vehicle to cross so I can at least follow them. What only? It was around 5 o'clock and there are a lot of vehicles. Still, the traffic is there. I thought the roads will be so empty, but still there are a lot of vehicles. It reaches 2 point reserve by top of. But that's not the right practice. Still, that's what I follow. This is the private stopping point, which really uh, buses coming from outside the city or outside the city go this way, so they will mostly drop off all their passengers here. We are almost in the middle of the city. Here in this patch, actually, there are less traffic. Usually, these roads, there will be a long queue of traffic standing. But since it's morning, it's quite empty and able to see all the places lit up. And also, could at least travel up at a speed of around 30-40 kilometers per hour.
These roads usually used to be very now it's so
T400 is doing quite good actually in the city rides or even in the long rides. Relaxed way, if you want to cruise around, this is really good, and you have enough torque, you have enough speed, and flickable altogether. I feel so comfortable with this bike.
I'm not getting here. Still, there are a lot of construction going on these areas, so the roads are not perfect. Some patches are good, some patches are bad. Nobody is model, so let's go. Because we cannot suddenly stop. If one person stops, if a speeding car or some vehicle is coming, definitely it will be a fatal accident. So either we should go to one side, like right or towards extreme left and stop somewhere, or just look around and brake pass. See, this is again a crossroad. See, suddenly a bike came from the right. I was looking towards the left. This is what happens in the early morning. Even in the extreme left, it's difficult to maintain the stop because people taking left turn, they will also come to quick. I don't know whether the camera is capturing. Let's go anyway. Okay, we are almost there. We are going to reach the station in another 1 or 2 minutes. I'll go and put my vehicle in the metro parking. Maybe that the station is very near to that. Let's go. I don't know if there is a time to just go look around the Marina Beach and come back, or return to home. That's all. That's the plan for today. Okay. Let's see. Still, I don't want to take the risk. This is what happens. early morning, buddy. What you can expect? Okay. See, British Castle. That's what the Central Station looks like. Using a deep confusion whether to go left, straight, or stop. You and me. Okay, stay. Talking is here. பாடல பாடல 1 hour தான் கிளம்புது 1 hour தான் கிளம்புது புரியல വല്ലാണ്ട് ചാടി അവിടെ വല്ലാണ്ട് ചാടി അവിടെ
I'll tell you why my wife woke up so early and she paid petrol. This is the reason. Gift from